Two leading affiliate platforms for SaaS. One showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rewardful, scalable affiliate management for ambitious SaaS teams. And on the right, Tolt, simple branded affiliate marketing for growing startups. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. And at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, here's our mind map for today. We're breaking this down by price, integrations, features, ease of use, reporting and analytics, customization, and of course, scalability. That way, you'll see exactly how these tools stack up in each area. No fluff, just what actually matters. Starting with price. Rewardful comes in a bit pricier, starting at $49 per month. But honestly, they pack in a lot, so you do kind of get what you pay for. If you want every feature under the sun, it's not a bad deal. But if you're just starting out, or maybe bootstrapping, Tolt actually hits lower at $29 per month. Super startup friendly. Of course, the catch is that some of Tolt's juicier stuff is locked behind those upsells or higher tiers. So you might end up paying more as you grow, but as an entry point, it's hard to beat that. Winner here, Tolt edges it out for new users on a budget. Now, integrations. This is where Rewardful flexes hard. They've got over 30 integrations. Stripe, Shopify, Paddle, WooCommerce, and you even get API access if you want to go wild. Like, if you're building a Franken SaaS stack, this is heaven. The only thing is, it might be kind of overwhelming if you just need the basics. Tolt, it sticks to the essentials, mainly covering Stripe, Paddle, and Chargebee. So it's perfect for simple SaaS setups. But that does mean you're a bit limited if your needs go beyond that. So the integration king, Rewardful, hands down. Features. Okay, this is where stuff gets really interesting. Rewardful throws in custom commission plans, campaign segmentation tools, self-referral fraud detection, which honestly is clutch, full analytics, and automated payouts via PayPal or Wise. If you love tweaking, managing campaigns, and running things at scale, Rewardful is kind of built for you. That said, the UI can be a bit much for newbies. Tolt leans into that simplicity. Branded affiliate portals, a friendly dashboard, easy navigation. It covers the basics. But for advanced stuff, like granular commissions or automation, you'll need higher tiers. And there's just less to play with. So if you want raw feature power, Rewardful takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Rewardful and Tolt have Stripe integration, so tracking commissions and payouts is seamless for SaaS businesses. You can literally set up payments without ever touching a spreadsheet. Let's talk ease of use. Rewardful is made for SaaS teams, so it's pretty user-friendly once you get the hang of it. But fair warning, the deeper features mean there's a learning curve. If you crave simplicity, Tolt pretty much nails it. Modern UI, quick setup, just create and go. Super intuitive. Only thing, all that simplicity means you can't configure as much when you start expanding. So for just getting started or running a basic program, Tolt is the easiest choice. Reporting and analytics. Rewardful's reporting is honestly super robust. Real-time stats, breakdowns for campaigns, CSV exports if you want to geek out in Excel. Tolt keeps things simple with just the basic analytics. Enough to know what's happening, but not super detailed. If you need to dissect performance, Rewardful wins by a mile in analytics. Moving on to customization. Rewardful lets you customize a ton. Your own domains, branded portals, sign-up pages, it all feels yours. With Tolt, you do get a branded dashboard, which is nice. But if you want to go deep, there's some limits you'll run into. For SaaS companies wanting a totally white label affiliate experience, Rewardful has it locked in. Scalability. Big topic, because your affiliate marketing should grow with your business, right? Rewardful supports unlimited campaigns, super flexible, no silly bottlenecks. It can handle just about any size or type of setup. Tolt is genuinely awesome for small, simple programs. But as you ramp up, you'll start needing those upgrades. For big teams or anyone who wants to scale, Rewardful is way more future-proof. Okay, before we wrap up, let's do a quick radar chart check. You'll see Rewardful dominating on features, integrations, customization, scalability, and analytics. Tolt really holds its own on price and ease of use, and it's perfect if you're starting out or just want something simple. So here's my take. Rewardful is honestly the best choice for SaaS teams looking for serious affiliate management power, customization, and room to grow, even if you pay a little more. Tolt is the go-to if your budget's tight and you want something that just works fast, with no headaches. There's a clear winner for scale and features, but plenty of reasons Tolt might be better for you depending on where you're at. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.